Here's part 14 of the Haitian Bakery Series, where we're making and baking some of the things that you might find in a Haitian bakery. Let's make some Haitian fudge, also known as Dous Makos. Here's a detailed recipe, so make sure you save this video for later. And please note, I am not from Tigua, but this recipe works. In a saucepan on medium to low heat, add some sugar, condensed milk, evaporated or whole milk, and a stick of butter. Blend well, and then add some nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla, and almond essence. Now here's the fun part. Set a timer for about 20 minutes and mix enthusiastically over and over and over again until this mixture starts to bubble. And when it's consistently bubbling throughout, it should start to mix together and caramelize. Remove the mixture from the heat and mix for 10 more minutes. When it starts to drizzle, it's ready. Now let's add some color. Separate the mixture into 3 equal parts. Add red food coloring for the pink layer. Wait a few minutes and then add the second layer. For the dark brown layer, mix in some powdered cocoa. Now allow the fudge to harden overnight at room temperature or for a few hours in the refrigerator. Then slice the fudge, and if the knife comes out clean, it's ready. In the end, you should have something that looks like this.